And so now we move on to some very important announcements from the one and only, the Honorable Darrell Vaz, our Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications, and Transport. Make him welcome. And the pretty yellow bus, the pretty yellow school bus is outside of Jamaica House, so that just for emphasis this morning. Minister, over to you.
Thank you very much. Morning, ladies and gentlemen, permanent secretaries, colleague ministers, and of course, those viewing on social media. This morning, I want to give a few updates on ministerial portfolios that I am honored to hold. And I want to start first and foremost with the Jamaica Public Service renegotiation. I didn't think that I would need to after the standing finance in Parliament, but it seems that I do. So again, let me reiterate. Formal notification was sent to the Jamaica Public Service on November 4th, 2024, to advise them of the initiation of the renegotiation of their license, which expires in 2027.